how to set up a Node.js project with TypeScript. So I have created an MD file. I'll walk you through this. So you could create one on your own without just follow along the steps that I'm providing you. The first step, you have to create a folder. Okay, this is the command for it. Then navigate into that folder. Once you are in it, this is a step 2. You have to initialize a Node.js project. So npm init /yes. So this will create a default Node.js project for you. Once you are in it, then you have to install the dependencies, which are express, whose if you are using MongoDB, cors and MongoDB. Use this command to install the dependencies. And to install the TypeScript dependencies, you have to use the command npm install in detach mode TypeScript ts slash node dev @type/express and @type/cors. This will use this command to install the development dependencies. Once you are in it, then you have to initialize TypeScript. The command for that is npx tsc init. This will generate a tsconfig.json file for you, and now you have to make certain changes in the tsconfig. Simply search out there in the tsconfig and make it such that it points to dist file. So when you are building it, the build will be created inside a dist folder. Similarly, the root dir will be created inside a src folder. So make this changes in the tsconfig.json, and once that is completed, you have to install NodeMon. So you don't have to always build your project every time you make a change. So it's better to use a NodeMon. So the command for that is npm install NodeMon. And once that is done, in the package JSON, you have to add these scripts. I will show this in the package JSON. npx tsc start. So when you run npm start, then this command will go. Similarly, dev nodemon index.ts. Okay, once all is done, then you can run npm run dev. In the package JSON, this is how you have to add the scripts. Okay, once all the step you have completed till step 9, then you have to run npm run dev, and then